Reports of fraud, we were just talking about this in major cities across the U.S., and the very latest now coming from the West Coast, where the administrator for the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, Dr. Mehmet Oz, claims that Russian and Armenian gangs in California are working with doctors to enroll patients into hospice who aren't even sick. The Trump administration not taking these fraud reports lightly and now cracking down harder than ever, even creating a new division within the Justice Department to help combat this. NewsNation's Lando joining us live with the very latest on this. And Leah, what is the Trump administration doing to try to counter this issue?
Well, they created a new division within the Department of Justice to try to crack down on this. They say that fraud has been a problem for a long time when it comes to all the government-funded programs. So they hope that this department will do a lot to put an end to it.
We've got people this morning, actually, we're going door to door to actually knock on some of these fraudulent care centers, these fraudulent social services organizations to get to the bottom of what's going on there.
The goal, it says, to crack down on fraud targeting government programs, including nonprofits, federally funded assistance programs, and more. According to the White House, federal officials will work to identify and stop sophisticated fraud schemes across the nation, prosecuting when necessary. The Department of Justice is currently investigating alleged fraud in various Minnesota programs, including the welfare program. Vice President J.D. Vance says DOJ court records show dozens of indictments tied to a single fraud network.
We have over 1,500 subpoenas that the Department of Justice has issued to get to the heart of the fraud ring. We've done almost 100 indictments, mostly Somali immigrants, but also a few others.
And this isn't just in Minnesota. Cases of alleged fraud now triggering new federal scrutiny across the country. In California, Dr. Mehmet Oz claiming Russian and Armenian gangs are working with doctors to falsify records to enroll patients into hospice who aren't sick. Dr. Oz says they've been leading these efforts and have been able to corrupt and work with doctors who are willing to lie and to use their degree as a license to kill. Dr. Oz says over $1.3 billion in federal funding was improperly spent on non-emergency care for people in the country illegally. Now he is asking why more hasn't been done to stop them.
It's not hard to actually go and visit these places if you want to. We should be asking, why haven't we already done this before?
And in New York, the Justice Department prosecuted a Brooklyn woman tied to a $68 million adult daycare and home health care fraud scheme. Now citing fraud in Minnesota, Republican state lawmakers calling for an independent audit of state-run child care and elderly assistance programs. In 2024, Hochul told Bloomberg CDPAP was one of the most abused programs in state history, saying, quote, something has to give here. And a spokesperson for Hochul rejected the audit, calling this a political stunt. Meanwhile, the state says it already has measures in place to monitor these. So this Department of Justice, the new division, will wait and see exactly what it can do to crack down on these alleged fraud schemes across the nation. Natasha.
Yeah, Leah Lando live with that in New York tonight. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.